Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Chandresh Kaurav presenting a very famous and most loving trick based on squaring of numbers which is inherited from Vedic maths. Before I start the method, you should learn some basic squares at least from 1 to 10. I hope you have already learned all of these. Now with the help of basic squares and simple trick, we can easily take squares of 2 and 3 digit numbers. In this video, I am covering squares of 2-digit numbers. Dear friends, in this trick, I will use carry forward method, which is also so easy for understand. Not only you can learn this method in this video by some practice, as well as I had already given a video on carry forward method. You may watch that video for easiness. Link will provide in the description. So friends, these are the squares from 1 to 12. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. Okay, so dear friends, let's start the method here. Already you learnt the basic squares numbers from 1 to 10. Now I'm taking a number which is 2 digit and we will take the square of that number. For example, I want to take a square of 12. So in this method, you have to mark two slashes. If you mark two slashes, you can see there are three places. One place, that is two place, and that is the third place. Okay, so in first place, you have to write the square of first digit. The digit is 1. So what is 1 square? 1 square is 1. So just write here 1. In the last space, you have to write the square of second digit. The digit is 2. So 2 square is 4. It's right here 4. Now we have a middle space also. What you have to write here? You have to write the twice of product of these two digits. I'm repeating here. You have to write the twice of product of these two digits. So the product is 1 into 2 is 2, 2 ones are 2, and the twice of 2 is 4. So you have to write here 4. After that, you should use the carry forward method of giving the answer here. What is carry forward method? It is very simple method. You have to write from right to left always. So first of all, you should write the single digit 4. Now we come to the second place here. Once again a single digit. So just write 4. Now the last place is 1. So put here 1 and answer is 144. It's very simple method. 144. Now just take another example here. For example, I have to take a square of 16. What is the square of 16? Let's start. Just put two slashes. Once again, we have three places. In first place, write the square of 1. This is 1. In the last place, you should write the square of second digit. So 6 square is 36. In this time, you can see here a 2-digit number. So it is not very simple. Now, in the middle place, you have to write the twice of the product of these two digits. So what is the product? 6 into 1, 6, and the twice of 6 is 12. twice of the product of these two digits. So my number is 12. Now, if you know the carry forward method, then it is very easy. If no, then once again I am going to explain the carry forward method. Always you have to write from right to left. Now, in the first place, because I am writing from right to left, so I am saying this is first place. If first place containing two digits, you have to write the unit digit here. This is 6, 3. The digit 3 will take a carry forward to the next place. Here's the number 12 and 3 is taken as carry. So 12 plus 3, 15. 12 plus 3, 15. Yes. And 15, you just write the unit digit once again 5 and 1 as a carry. So 1 comes in the last place here. This is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So my answer is 256. If you feel some difficulty to understand this method, you can rewind the method. You can see again and again this method here. So, but I know this is very easy and you can learn by some practice easily. Okay, I am going to take one more example which is a little bit difficult for you. Okay, I'm taking an example of, suppose I want 32 square. How you can do this? 32 square. Okay, this is a little bit difficult number, but don't worry, this method is very easy for all the numbers. Just put here 2 marks. What is 3 square? 9. Okay, what is 2 square? 4. And here the product and twice. What is product? 6. Twice 12. Put here 12. Now by using carry forward method, answer from right to left, just take 4, because here is a single digit, so just take 4. In the next place, here are 2 digits. So what you do? You will take the single digit 2 and 1 as taken as carry forward. So 9 plus 1, 10. This is your answer, 1024. Is it very simple? Yes, is it very simple? So I hope you enjoyed the session.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this session, then like the video, subscribe the channel and press on the notification